Good evening, sir.
No.
What do you say?
Good afternoon, everyone. Sorry, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
So, you have done addition and subtraction.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
any question, any doubt anyone has?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me from RS Agarwal. First from RS Agarwal.
Sir, 6th, 8th, 20th.
20th. Okay. Perimeter of a triangle. Let's suppose this is a triangle. So, perimeter of a triangle is what? AB plus BC plus CAP.
Sir, I'm not able to see the board properly, sir.
Why? What happened? What is?
Sir,
Stop.
the camera is little down, sir.
Okay, camera is down. Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, perimeter is this one. Correct? Now, perimeter is given. What is perimeter? 6p square. 6p square minus 4p plus 9. And two of its sides. Let's suppose this side and this side. Two of its sides. This is p square minus 2p plus 1. And this side, let's suppose this side is 3p square minus 5p plus 3. And you have to find this side. Let's suppose, I'll reframe this question. Perimeter of a triangle is 14. One side is 7. This side is 3. What will be this side?
4.
The question was for Pragya, right? Pragya, you have asked this question.
Sir.
So, perimeter is 14. This side is 7. This side is 3. What will be this side?
4.
Why? How you find it?
First we added A, B and BC. Then we subtracted it from the perimeter.
Yes. So what is here?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Can you do it by yourself?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has a problem in this question and not able to solve? Okay. Next question from RS Agarwal 6A exercise. Sanjit, can you mute your mic? So now next question from NCERT 137. I told you to do
9.1, 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
9.1, 3 and 4. Any doubt from 3 and 4?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, fourth one C.
Fourth one, C. Okay. This, you can solve it by yourself or should I solve it?
Sir, we'll solve it.
We'll solve.
So, in this question, subtract 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. So this is the question. Okay, now you are supposed to subtract this from this. So which will be on top?
So 18 minus 3p,
ठीक है?
the down one.
This one will be on top and this one will be at the bottom, right? So 18 minus 10. I can write minus 10. And then p, yeah, plus 7p. Now q, yes, q, minus 8.
It's minus
Sorry,
8p.
8p and 7q. PQ.
Sir, it's minus 8p.
PQ minus 3PQ. Then PQ square plus 5PQ square. P square Q, 4P square Q. Now minus me, we have to change the sign. So 18 plus 10, 28. Then minus 3 plus 5P. 11 minus 11 plus 7 minus 4Q plus 5 plus 3 plus 8PQ minus 2 minus 5 minus 7PQ square plus 5 minus 4 plus P square Q. Now you have to properly arrange it. So higher to lower. So we can write it as P square Q minus 7PQ square plus 8PQ.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, in the second one, it is plus 7q, not minus 7q.
Yes, sir.
So yes, that's what it was plus. And here it is. Other signs are okay. Let me write it. 18p 3q 11q plus 3pq minus 2pq square plus 5pq square. Then minus 10 7 plus 7q minus 8p, ठीक है, minus 3pq plus 5pq square plus 4p square, ठीक है. Okay.
বন্ধ হয়ে গেল.
Mute your mic, please. Then 8pq minus 18q plus 5p plus 28. This is the answer. Clear? Any doubt in NCRT?
So third, second.
Third, second. Okay. Please write it down, those who couldn't solve.
Sir,
Okay.
the second one is 0 plus AB plus 0 plus BC plus AC, no, sir?
Which second one?
Third question, second one, sir.
It is AB plus BC plus AC.
He has asked me. I will solve it. You have written this one.
Yes, sir.
So next question is add the following: A minus B plus AB, then B minus C plus BC, then C minus A plus AC. So you have to add all this. So I will write A minus B plus AB, then B minus C. So plus B, C is not there and BC is not there. So what to do? We'll add, we'll keep this as 0, 0, and we will add here minus C and plus BC. Now C minus A plus AC. C. So I will write C here, C minus A. I will write under this minus A plus AC. AC is nowhere. Now can you add
Yes, sir.
AB, BC, got it? When you don't have that variable, under that you write 0. There is nothing, it's 0. If you add 0, that number remains same, and you make different column for the new entrant. Clear this type of question? You'll have to respond.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes, okay.
Yes, sir.
Any other question in 9.1 and third, fourth? Okay, no question. Then I'll go to Longman. Now Longman, 68 page number. Fourth main, I said fourth main and fifth main. Any doubt? Have you done?
Yes. Yes.
So no doubt, right?
Yes.
Arjun,
Sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So basically, why I started this chapter? Actually, algebraic expression for all the schools is in second term. But I have started this to give you an understanding about these addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. I'll teach 4 part: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and then I will stop this chapter and I'll go to another chapter, because other chapters you need to know this, all this. That's why I've started, and later on in second semester again I will start this chapter. Okay, but you should know addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So today I will teach you product, how to multiply and how to divide. At least multiply I will teach you today. Okay, and then I will start another chapter from Monday. But why I am teaching you, so that you should have a very proper understanding of this algebraic expression, how to multiply, how to open bracket, how signs gets changed. So addition, subtraction, should I consider that no doubt everything is very clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I will teach you multiplication. Very simple multiplication I'll take. Simplify 2a square b cube c multiply by, let's suppose, 7a cube b6 c. So first thing, there are 3 components. Always remember, there are 3 components. One is multiplication of sign, second is multiplication of the coefficient, and third is multiplication of the variable. Multiplication of sign: plus multiply by plus is plus, minus multiply by minus is
Plus.
plus, plus into multiply by minus is minus, minus multiply by plus is minus. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
And I know it's very clear, but still write it. because then you will start making mistakes here. Please write it down. I gave you table for addition, subtraction in the last class. This is multiplication.
So done.
So done. So done, sir.
Now, first you have to multiply sign. So sign is plus, here also plus. So it will be
Plus.
plus into plus plus. So we'll write it. Second, you have to multiply numbers. 2 into 7, 14. This is the coefficient. So write 14. Then you have to multiply variables. Okay. So it will be
6.
6.
ठीक है. Then I have to teach you something else before this. Two to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2. What is the value?
2 to the power 4.
2 to the power 4.
4.
What you did?
2 plus 2.
2 plus 2 is equals to 2 to the power 4. Correct? If I say 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3, it will be 3 to the power 2
5.
plus 3 is equals to 3 to the power 5.
So
What
it should
we
be
are,
9 to the power 5.
come again?
So it should be 9 to the power 5.
Yes, Kanchi, very good. It should be 9 to the power 5. So now you listen carefully, because it is not 9 to the power 5, it is 3 to the power 5. How? That I am teaching you. So when you see these two, we say base. This is base and this is power or exponent, whatever you can say. This is base and this is exponent. Here 3 is base and this is exponent or power. When the base is same, then the multiplication of this is, when the base is same, power gets added. Again, I am repeating, when the base is same, the power or exponents get added. Put it in your mind, this thing will always be there till class 12th, till you are studying mathematics. And it should be your habit. You should not memorize it, you should learn it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So we say when the base is same, power gets added. So base will be A only and power gets added. 2 plus 3, 5. When base is same, again the power gets added. 2 to the power 2 plus 2, that is 2 to the power 4. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hope you have written this.
Yes, sir.
Second thing. A to the power m, the whole bracket n, is equals to A to the power m multiplied by n. Example. Two to the power 2, whole bracket 3. We can write it as 2 to the power 2 into 3, which is 2 to the power 6. 3 to the power 2, bracket 5. We can write 3 to the power 2 into 5,
3 to the power 10.
Please write it. This is multiplication. Dot means multiplication. Written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now going back to the same question. 2a square b cube c multiply by 7 is 3 b 6 c. So what I said, first multiply sign, plus into plus, plus. Second multiply coefficient, 2 into 7, 14. Then you multiply this into this, will be
A to the power of 6.
a to the power of 6, right?
5
Monica?
To the power 5.
to the power 5.
This you make mistake. You multiply here, 3 into 2, 6. It is addition. Now b
To the
and
power
9.
6.
wow, b to the power 6.
B to the power 9.
9.
Why you are confusing? Why 6? B 6, B 3. What you will do? B to the power 9. C and C.
C power 2.
C to the power 2. Again, I am giving one question. 2 a to the power 3, b to the power 2, c to the power 6, multiply 10, a to the power 5, b to the power 8, c to the power 2. Plus into plus, plus. 2 into 10, 20. A to the power 3 into a to the power 5.
A to the
To
power
the
8.
power 8.
B square, B8.
B to the power 10.
C6, C2.
C to the power 8.
Yes, not perfect. So this will be the answer. Next question. 2a square b c4 tell me.
Minus 12.
Minus
12.
minus 12. A to power 2 into the A to power 6.
8.
B to the
A.
power 8.
B into B square.
B to the
B to the power 3.
C4, C2.
To the
C to the
power
power
6.
6.
Very good. Okay. Next. 2a4 b minus 2 c multiply by minus 4 a to b 4 c. Minus 8 a to the power
6.
6 b to the power
Minus 2.
Minus 6.
Minus 2.
okay
Minus
2
8.
right
6.
Minus
Sir,
8.
2, sir.
2.
Minus 2.
2. It's just 2.
It's just 2.
It's
Positive.
plus 2.
It's 2.
Yes,
Send
that's
it.
2.
You are telling
Sir, So it's
what
6.
should be b to the power.
Sir, 2.
Please send me on chat, everyone. Send me on chat.
So on WhatsApp or on
No, on
Zoom?
chat, and this chat only.
Okay.
On Zoom chat.
Sir,
Dia, you are telling
Sir, I
two
said,
answers.
sir.
Just hold on a second. I'm saying. Dia, you are telling two answer. Why so? Two is right. Because when you are multiplying b to the power minus 2 into b to the power 4, you are doing minus 2 plus 4. So what is minus 2 plus 4? 2. Most of you are correct except 2 or 3. They know who all are wrong. It will be b to the power 4 and c to the power 2. Correct? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now one question I'm giving you. Please do it by yourself. Four x square y 6xz 9/2. This is 9/2 xyz and 4/3 yz square.
Sir, what is that YZ, sir?
Pardon, what is?
Sir, like XYZ, sir.
XYZ.
so what is the second one?
6xz. This is 4x square, 6xz, 9/2 xyz and 4/3 yzx. And Sanjit always get confused. This is, let's put it like that.
So what's the last one, sir? After
4/3 yz square. And those who are done, raise your hand.
Sir, should we multiply all?
Yes.
so got the answer.
Sir, got the
Just
answer.
raise your hand. Raise your hand. I will call you. Nonita?
Sir, 96 x to the power 4 and y to the power 3 and z to the power 4.
Wrong. Next is Sanjit.
108x to the power 4, y to the power 2, z.
1 minute. 4, 6, 9/2, 4/3. No, wrong, Sanjit. Now, Surya.
So 26 x to the power 4, y to the power 3, z to the power 4.
Why you are making mistake? Is something wrong? You have multiplied all these 4?
Yes, sir.
4 into 6 into 9/2 into 4/3. 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6. 4 3s are 12.
So the
4
answer
3s
is
are 12.
144.
144. So how many different answers? Why? Where is the calculation mistake you guys are doing? Such a simple calculation.
Sir, I cancelled it.
So
I got the same answer.
I got the same answer, sir.
Surya? Surya,
Yes, sir.
where was the calculation mistake?
Sir, I made the denominator same.
So you see, when you solve, you have to revise also. In a quick way, you say the answer, but it's wrong. So this is known as product of a mononomial. If I write 4x plus 2y, how many terms are there? 2 terms, 1 and 2, right? When an algebraic expression is separated by plus or minus, they are 2 terms, not in multiplication. If you write like this is known as only 1 term. If you write like this is known as only 1 term. But when you separate it by plus or minus, they are 2 terms. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So as of now, I taught you product of monomials. Now binomials. I'll give you binomial question 1. In this type, I'll suppose I'll take very small question. If I write it 2x multiply by 2x plus 4x, let's suppose, okay, xy, let's suppose. So it has 2 terms and this is 1 term. So product is monomial into binomial, correct?
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
in this type of question, what you have to do, first you have to multiply this into this and then this into this. So to multiply this into this, you can write it as 2x into 2x, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now when we are multiplying this into this, plus sign gets, first we have to multiply sign, plus into plus is always plus. Then 2 into 2 is 4. So we'll write it plus 4. X into x is x square. Correct? Now we have to multiply this into this. So first you have to multiply sign. Plus into plus, plus.
Plus
We'll write plus. 2 into 4, 8.
8.
Write 8. X into xy. What will the value?
X square y.
X square y. This is the answer. Is it?
Sir,
Yes.
I didn't understand that one. 4x square y, 6x z, 9 by 2 into yz, and that one.
In that, I multiplied all the things, all the coefficient. What all the coefficients? It
So
was 4, 6,
6,
9 by 2, and 4 by 3. So you multiply, what you will get? 144.
Yes, sir.
Then x square into x into x. Question. See the question. It is
Yeah.
x square
4x square.
into x into x.
Okay.
So what it will be?
Sorry, sir. Could you repeat? I didn't understand.
Question is 4x square y, 6xz, 9 by 2 xyz, 4 by 3 yz square. Correct? So first what we have to do? We have to multiply all the sign. So all plus, 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 plus. So it will be plus. Correct? Second, we have to you have to tell yes, yes if you have understood.
Okay, sir.
So we have to multiply this. So 9 by 2 into 4 by 3. So 3 3s are 2 3s are. So it is 4 3s are 12. 12 and 4 3s are 12. 12 into 12, 144.
144. Yes,
Now
sir.
x square, x and x. X square into x, x cube,
Yes, sir.
s cube into x, x4,
Yes, sir.
y, y, y.
Mm.
It will be y cube,
Y2. Yes, sir.
z, z,
Z.
z square.
Z to the power 4.
This is the answer.
Okay, sir.
Anyone? Should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So now one question. Uh, five a square b square multiply by 3a square minus 4ab plus 6b square. I will solve it first. So this into this, plus into plus plus, 5 into 3, 15.
15.
A into a square into a square,
A
a4.
to the power 4.
I'll do it, Pragya, just listen.
Okay.
B square, so it will be b square. Now, second, this into this. Plus into minus, minus 5 into 4, 20. A square into a cube. B square into b, b cube. Now, this into this. Plus into plus, plus 5 into 6, 30. A square, here no a square, so a square you'll write. B square into b square, b4. The answer. Any doubt?
Sir, I should not simplify more, sir.
This you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the answer.
Okay.
Simplification will come in factorization, Sanjit, don't worry. Let's do first product. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you have understood, I'm giving you next question. This time, don't make mistake. And this time, you just raise your hand, and once done, please raise your hand. And those who will not raise, I will ask them the solution. After doing it, please raise your hand.
Sir,
Hmm.
is it minus 3x to the power?
2 is x square.
Sir, what is it after 3ay square?
3a. Where is a?
Okay, sorry, x.
Minus 3x square y multiply by 4x square y minus 3xy square plus 3 plus 4x minus 5y.
4x minus.
Those who will not raise hand, I will call them. So raise hand once done, and those who will not raise hand, I will ask them to solve it. Achha, this time so many hands are raised. Very good. You have done it. Only two have not raised their hand. Then I will go with Vijay. Vijay? Vijay? If you can't hear me, then I think you are not seeing the... Hello, can you hear me, Vijay? If you can't hear me, that means you are not able to listen the lecture, isn't it? Can't you hear me? No, then I should put it in the waiting room to you. Now, Mona, done?
Sir, I'm still doing.
Still doing, okay. Dia, what's your answer?
So minus 12x 4y2 plus 9x power 3 y power 3 minus 12x power 3 y plus 15x power 2 y power 2.
Okay. Anybody else has any different answer? Now, can you hear me, Vijay? Vijay, can you hear me? I think he's
No,
not
sir,
able-
your
Huh?
voice is not audible. Sir.
Now, is it audible? Tell me, your voice is audible. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer, Vijay. Anybody else has any different answer?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Dia, very good. That's a correct answer. Solve it. Dia? Yes, Dia.
So minus plus minus
Okay.
3 4s are 12
Okay.
x square plus x square x 4 y square minus minus plus
Hmm.
3 plus 3 is 6, so 3 3s are 9
Hmm.
x cube y cube minus plus minus 4 3 4s are 12 x cube, so y, sir.
Okay.
The minus plus minus plus minus minus plus 3 5s are 15 x cube x square y square.
So why didn't you raise your hand? Acha, you raised your hand. Okay. Good. Good. Anybody has doubt in this? Next question I'm giving. Now I will teach you binomial into binomial. So first I taught you monomial into monomial, monomial into binomial. Now binomial into binomial. 3x plus 5y, then 5x minus 7y. So listen, here even students with 9th and 10th standard make mistakes. So if your funda is clear here, you will not struggle. Otherwise you will struggle in higher classes also. So first step, this into this. So we can write 3x into 5x minus 7y. If I don't write sign here and I keep bracket, that means this is multiplied by whole thing. This is standard form of writing.
Yes, sir.
Then plus 5y. plus 5y, then this one. Is this step clear? I will repeat again.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This into full this. So I wrote 3x into full. Then plus 5y into this one. Now what is this? Monomial into binomial. So now when you are opening the bracket, this is to open the bracket. This is in bracket and this is outside. When you open the bracket means you have to multiply these two, then these two. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now while multiplying it, what you have to do? First sign multiplication. Plus into plus, it will be plus. Then 3 into 5, 15. X into x, x square. Now this into this. Plus into minus, minus.
21.
3 into 7, 21. X into x, xy. Plus into plus, plus.
Plus.
5 into 5, 25. X, y into x, xy we can write. Now plus into minus, minus. 5 into 7, 35. Y into y, y square. Is this step clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, but there is one more step in this. You have to see whether any like terms are there or not. Is this x square? No x square. So you can write it 15 x square. Xy anywhere? Yes, here it is xy. So minus 21 xy plus 25 xy. What will be the value?
4xy.
4x.
Plus 4xy. Now minus 35 y square.
Why 4xy?
Pardon?
Why 4xy, sir?
Because minus 21x and plus 25x both are like terms.
Okay,
So we
sir.
added these two. Addition, what will be the value? Yeah. What
So
will be
4 only.
4 only? That's why 4xy.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear? This is,
Yes, sir.
I'm telling you, extremely very important, because your seniors also make lot of mistake while opening the bracket and multiplying all these things. If now you understood, you will not face problem. You will not have any understanding problem, or will not make any silly mistakes. What your seniors does, they multiply this with this and rest minus 7y. That's it. They don't multiply this with this. Or what they do, they keep the sign same. Even if it is minus here, they don't change the sign. They don't multiply sign actually. And the whole solution is wrong. So you have to be very attentive what you are doing. Every step is very important. First this you write, then whole. Then this you write, then whole. Then you multiply this with this, then you multiply this with this. Then this, then this. In multiplication, first you have to multiply sign, then you have to multiply coefficient, then you have to multiply variables. Next question I'm giving you. Two x squared plus 3y squared. Do it.
Done.
Okay. Raise your hand, those who are done. Or those who will not raise hand, I will ask answer from them.
So once going to
You
finish
take
it.
your time, no problem.
Sir, over, sir.
Raise your hand. Vijay, you are not able to hear, na?
Sir, how to do this question, sir?
Acha, tell me this question. Tell me the answer of this question. Vijay, it's question for you. This is for you. Unmute your mic, Vijay.
Sir, I am not able to do that, sir.
Why? So till now, what you were doing in the class? What I have taught you? You tell me. What all things I have taught you in the class? See, if you guys will not respond, I'm sure I'm not going to teach you. It's not for attendance you are coming here. If you are learning, then only come. Till now, I asked you what all things I have taught you. You just tell me that. If you won't speak, don't speak, then don't come to class.
Sir, multiplication.
Of what? And don't mute your mic.
Sir, a to the power n multiplied by a to the power m equals to a to the power n multiplied by m.
So you have dictated things wrong. Whatever you have written, that is also wrong. So with this condition, it is tough. You call me after the class. You ask your father to call me. Ajinkya, your hand is not raised for this question. Have you done or you have not done?
So 1 second, sir, I'm going to finish it.
Ojeshwini, what's your answer?
Sir, 6x to the power 4 plus 11y to the power 11y square x square plus 3y to the power 4.
Very good. Let's do it. Tell me, Ojeshwini, how to do?
So 3x square whole
3x
into
square, 4 into?
2x square plus 3y square.
Oh, very good. Then?
Plus y square whole into 2x square plus 3y square.
3y square. Now?
3x square into 2x square is
Okay.
equal to 6x to the power 4.
Okay.
Plus 3x square plus 3y square is equal to 9x square y square.
Okay.
Plus y square into 2x square is equal to 2y square x square.
Okay.
Plus y square plus 3y square is equal to 3y to the power 4.
Yes, good. Any problem in understanding?
Then
So
Yeah, tell me. Go ahead. Next step, last step is left out. Yes, tell me.
you have to pair the like terms.
Yes, you have to pair the like term. So 9x square y square plus 2x square y square x square is also x square y square. So 9 plus 2, 11. X square y square plus 3.
Plus 3y to the power 4.
Perfect, good. Any problem in understanding this question? Any one of you?
No, sir.
Ajinkya,
Also.
did you get
Yes,
it?
sir, no problem, sir.
So where was
Yes,
the
sir.
problem? Where you were struggling till now?
Sir, at the last step, sir.
At the last.
So now it's clear, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I
Now,
have a doubt, sir.
oh, I have rubbed it. Anyway, tell me.
Sir, like, why didn't you add the number like 6x plus y, sir?
6, come again?
6x square plus y at the middle, sir. Like,
This
before
one, 6x4
last.
and 3y4.
Yes, sir. No, sir. Like, before the last step, sir, she told 6x square and
It was 6x4 plus I think 7x4 y
It was
square
9.
9 plus 2x4 y square plus 3y4. Now tell me where to add.
Sir,
What to add?
2x to the power 2.
Sorry, 2x to the power.
2x to the power 2.
Tell me.
Sir, like, I didn't understand that. Why didn't you add 6x?
6x
4
square and
y,
you
sir,
first you
plus y.
put your mic in front of your mouth. I can't hear you. I just guess what you are speaking. Yes, Sanjit.
Sir, why did?
I'm not able to hear Sanjit.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Tell me.
Sir, why didn't you add 6x to the power 4 plus y?
Why? Where is
like,
y? This is one term.
Sir,
This is second term. This is third term. This is fourth term. Now tell me which term you want to add.
sir, I understood, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
What you are telling, Sanjit? I'm getting confused. Okay,
Sir,
understood,
I
na?
understood.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now, last question for a day, but little lengthy, not tough. It's lengthy. Multiply 2x to the power 2 minus 5x plus 4 by, we have to multiply this by x square plus 7x minus 8. Rules remain same. Those who will not raise hand, first I will ask them. Reading, sir. Okay, Tanishi done. Others.
Sir, I've got till the second last step.
Pardon?
I've got till the second last step.
Why not last step?
So I have to add and subtract.
You have to do it. Do it fast.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 5 people done. Okay, what's the answer this time? Tanishi, she was the first. So Tanishi, you tell me your answer.
2x4
Hmm.
plus 9x cube minus 47x square plus 68x minus 34.
Perfect. Tell me. 2x square into x square plus 7x minus 8 minus 5x x square plus 7x minus 8 plus 4x square plus 7x minus 8. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now 2x4, then 14x cube, then 16x square minus 35x square, 40x. Now x4 to x4, x cube, 14x cube minus 5x cube. It will be plus 9x cube.
Yes, sir.
16x minus 16x square minus 35. So it will be
minus
51.
51.
Minus 51 plus 4.
Minus
Minus
47.
47 x square. Now what is left out? 40x, 28x, 68x.
Yes, sir.
Minus 32.
Answer?
Yes.
Is it
I
clear?
got the same. Yes, sir.
Good. Perfect. You are supposed to do as homework, you are supposed to do R.S. Agarwal's 6B, R.S. Agarwal 6B, then Longman.
So the full exercise?
6B, yes, full exercise. Longman 1 and then 6.2 first main and NCRT 9.3 9.2 9.2 and 9.3 NCRT 9.2 plus 9.3, which all main? First and second main. First and second main. Clear?
So NCRT should do both R.S. Agarwal and NCRT.
Yes, yes, that is understood. Every day this I will not tell you. That is understood. NCRT people are doing both R.S. Agarwal and NCRT. Is it clear?
Sir.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, one more thing. On Monday you will have test. Square root, cube roots. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.